The ability to distinguish one's self from oneself is central to her ability to mobilize a response to invasive pathogens, toxins, or allergens. The host uses both innate and adaptive mechanisms to detect and eliminate pathogenic microbes. Innate immunity is the defense system that we were born with. Innate immunity includes barriers that prevent harmful substances from entering our bodies. These barriers constitute the first line of defense in the immune response. If pathogens succeed in evading the fungal response, then we have a second layer of protection, the adaptive immune system, which is activated by the fungal response. Adapt its response during infection to improve recognition of the pathogen. This response is preserved after the pathogen is eliminated in the form of an immunological memory, which allows the adaptive immune system to launch faster and stronger attacks every time this pathogen is encountered. Tips to boost immunity. Here are some important tips that will help us boost our immunity. Get enough sleep. Sleep and immunity are closely related. Antibodies and anti-infectious cells are reduced during periods when we do not get enough sleep. It is usually recommended that adults seek 7 or more hours of sleep each night, while adolescents need 8 to 10 hours and younger children and infants up to 14 hours. Eat more whole plant foods. Whole plant foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and legumes are rich in nutrients and antioxidants that act as a catalyst to boost immunity. In fact, whole foods, a vegan diet contains 64 times the amount of immune-enhancing antioxidants compared to a diet that includes meat and dairy products. Eat healthy oil. Healthy fats like olive oil, peanut oil, canola oil, and omega-3 foods are anti-inflammatory. Since chronic inflammation can suppress our immune system, reduce stress suppresses it, is difficult to define. However, most scientists who study the relationship of stress and immune function do not study sudden short-term stresses. Instead, they try to study the more persistent and repeated stressors known as chronic stress. Doing regular exercise. Regular exercise is one of the pillars of a healthy life. Just like a healthy diet, exercise can contribute to a healthy immune system. It may contribute by promoting good blood circulation. Stop smoking. Smoking can dampen it because nicotine can lead to decreased activity of just phagocytosis. It can also prevent the release of reactive oxygen species (ROS) and thus impair the ability of neutrophils to kill pathogens. Inside the lungs, meditate daily. He found that the benefit we get from meditation is not purely psychological. There is a clear, measurable change in how our bodies function. Meditation is a restorative activity that may provide relief for our immune systems, relieving the daily stress of the body. Reducing added sugar. When we take a large dose of sugar, we temporarily dampen our immune system's ability to respond to challenges. The effect lasts for several hours. Therefore, eating more sugary foods can result in excessive inflammation that does not serve any useful purpose but promotes aging and disease. The bottom line, our immune system is essential to our survival. Our lifestyle can affect our ability to protect us from germs, viruses, and chronic diseases. Replacing bad health habits with good ones can help keep them healthy. The tips mentioned above, if followed adequately, can go a long way towards strengthening our immunity. Our immune system is crucial to our survival because it helps us protect against countless diseases. Our lifestyle is closely related to our immunity. By adopting the tips mentioned in the article, we can enhance our immunity.